Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
How to lose belly fat fast in 4 weeks for women of all age groups. How to lose belly fat fast is a question we all want answers to. That feeling of having to look down at a podgy belly isn't attractive and doesn't make you feel great about yourself either. If you have excess fat, you would just love to lose it from your belly, as your belly fat is the first place you tend to store fat and the last place you will lose it from through your weight loss journey. But in addition to this, you will see a reduction in your belly fat as you lose weight. Factors for storing fat around your belly. First, stress. Yes, you heard it right. Stress is the common cause of fat storage around the belly. When your body is under stress, it releases a hormone called cortisol, which releases sugar into the blood because the body thinks it requires energy to run away or fight. So when you're not running or fighting anyone, this energy isn't used, and the body takes this energy from fat stores and stores it in your abdomen. Second, bad eating. We all know that weight gain is caused by bad eating habits, be it the wrong food or simply overeating. Reducing what you eat and swapping out all bad foods would be the first place to start. Third, improper sleeping routine. Having an improper sleeping routine is linked with all sorts of hormonal imbalances in the body. Lack of sleep raises cortisol levels and it stores fat around the belly. So make sure you are getting at least 7 hours of sleep a night. Fourth, lack of exercise. The last reason for having a belly fat would be due to the lack of exercise. If you have a sedentary lifestyle, then it's common to have a fat store around your belly. How to lose belly fat? Here are a few suggestions that can help you to lose your belly fat fast. First, try yoga to reduce your stress. Yoga is a great form of exercise and has elements of meditation which are both amazing for alleviating stress levels which you need to reduce the amount of cortisol in your body. Second, walk daily to burn fat. Walking for about 45 minutes a day will help you to burn a lot of fats from your belly. Due to nature of walking being a low intensity activity, it requires energy that is available from the burning of fat. Third, do some HIIT. High intensity interval training is now very popular among people and is one of the best ways to burn calories fast. You can burn about 400 to 500 calories easily in just 30 minutes and boost your metabolism within no time. Fourth, drink plenty of water. Keeping your body hydrated is the key to lose fat. If you are drinking around 2 liters of water a day, aims to increase it now. Drinking water from time to time will eliminate the toxins from the body. Supplements to reduce belly fat. First, Being Nutritious Shrek's Advanced Natural Fat Burner. This product is a natural fat burner fortified with an effective blend of various types of natural extracts and minerals that are Garcinia cambogia extract, green tea extract, grapefruit extract, chromium picolinate, which not only help to reduce the extra body fat effectively but have multiple benefits for your body. It enhances the metabolic rate and also controls hunger cravings and reduces extra body fat effectively. Second, Carbamide 40 Keto Fat Burner. It is a power-packed supplement with 1085 mg of premium fat burning complex with potent ingredients that may help boost metabolism, fat burning and weight loss by preserving the body's lean muscle mass. It helps in controlling cravings and aids clean, jitter-free energy. Third, Muscle Blaze Fat Burner. Muscle Blaze brings you the highly effective fat burner supplement that is crafted to boost your fat loss regime and help you get a lean body. It contains several active ingredients that prepare your mind and body for losing the excess fat. 4. Other Weight No More supplements. It is an Ayurvedic product with absolutely no side effects. It is filled with the goodness of Garcinia, Triphala, Methi, and green tea developed on the principles of Ayurveda. This product stimulates fat burning and minimizes the cravings and helps you to lose weight. 5th, Herbalife Fast Fat Burner for men and women. This product contains the supplement of a perfect blend of grapefruit and green tea in concentrated forms. Consuming these ingredients can help you burn the fat and achieve a trim and toned body. It makes you feel full and satiated for a longer duration of time, thus help you to consume fewer calories. So, to burn belly fat, you should follow a basic diet plan, having a low carbohydrate diet that eliminates refined carbs and sugar and emphasizes healthy fats and protein. This will help you achieve the state of ketosis and your body will use stored belly fat for energy. The goal is to get rid of abdominal fat and keep it off for the long term. The best way to do so is to make gradual sustainable changes one at a time.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.